Hello everyone from Fort Worth Convention Center here in DUG conference.
DUG Permian and Eagle Ford is in full swing, and we're so happy to see our existing clients, future clients, friends, vendors, and thought leaders at this event. We're here to explain the story of RigER and showcase the product.
We presenting RigER 8.5 Fort Worth. It's a new version of our operational software. We enhance the user experience and user interfaces, new look. We create the Oilfield CRM. We add business analytics and added very advanced features to our software.
Thank you very much to Hart Energy for organizing such a great event. It's been very cozy as well as very insightful and interesting to attend this show. First and foremost, we're happy to be in an in-person setting, and you can see a lot of people are interacting with each other, which is a great thing. And the next one we're going to be at is OTC, just in mid-August, so come by our booth at the Canadian Pavilion. We also will be in Midland in the Permian Basin International Oil Show, so you're welcome to see us there as well. So we're here to help you, and again, congratulations on the reopening of all the shows, and would like to see and meet you in person. Thank you.